How to do Brother Printer Wi-Fi setup. 2 quick solutions. Method 1, connect with the network key. Step 1, turn on your printer and tap on the settings icon. Step 2, tap on network settings. Step 3, select the WLAN Wi-Fi option. Step 4, tap on Find Wi-Fi Network, then select Yes to enable WLAN. Step 5, select your SSID/network name and tap on OK. Step 6, enter the network key and tap on OK. Step 7, after a successful WLAN connection, tap on OK. Method 2, connect with the WPS Push button. Step 1, make sure your Wi-Fi router has a WPS Push button. Step 2, scroll down to the network option and press the OK button. Step 3, press the OK button on the WLAN option. Step 4, scroll down to the WPS option and hit the OK button. Step 5, press the down arrow button to enable WLAN. Step 6, press the up button for next. Step 7, press and hold the WPS button on your router for 3 to 5 seconds. Step 8, wait for the printer to connect via the WPS until it displays connected. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-857-557-6884 +44 161 518 4781.